See, number lines are useful to add or subtract integers, but only when the numbers are very small. But what if the numbers are too big to be accommodated on the number line? So now in this video, we're going to see how to add or subtract two or more integers without the help of a number line. So we're going to follow certain rules, and the first one of them is we should join or merge consecutive signs if there are any. For example, -2 plus of -5 minus of -7. So you can see over here there are two consecutive signs, plus and minus. Now remember the rule, plus and minus is minus. And over here also you can see two consecutive signs, minus and minus is plus. That's right. So -2 as it is, then instead of writing plus and minus, we are just writing a minus. Then we copy down the 5 and then we copy down the 7. So we should merge consecutive signs if there are any. Then rule number 2, always take two numbers at a time if there are more than two numbers, and then look at their signs. And again remember the rule, plus and plus is plus, plus and minus is minus, minus and plus is minus, minus and minus is plus. So when you end up at plus, you should actually add the numbers, okay? And when you end up at minus, you should actually subtract the numbers. And while subtracting the numbers, always subtract, take the bigger number first and then take the smaller number. So subtract the smaller from the bigger. Let's take an example. First, there are two consecutive signs. So minus and minus is plus. We have -8 plus 5. And then these two numbers can be taken together. What is minus and plus? Minus and plus gives a minus. So this minus sign tells us that we should be doing the subtraction. So we are going to take 8, we are going to take 5, place the bigger number above, and 8 minus 5 is 3. So we are going to write a 3 over here. But then what? Is 3 the answer? No. We should always give the sign of the bigger number. So over here 8 and 5, 8 is bigger than 5. So we're going to give the sign of the bigger number. So we are going to give the sign of negativity to this number. So the answer to this is -3. So always remember, give the sign of the bigger number, and if the numbers are equal, then you can give the sign of any number. For instance, in order to solve this, first of all, we are going to take plus and minus. So plus and minus is minus, and we're going to write down the other numbers as they are. And then what is minus and minus? So minus and minus is plus. So 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7 gives us 14. So minus and minus is plus, that tells us that we need to add. So we added 7 and 7 and we are getting a 14. So write down the 14 over here. And then we need to give the sign of the bigger number. But over here both the numbers are 7. So if the numbers are equal, then give the sign of any number. So over here both the numbers are negative, so just give a negative sign. What about the sum now? -6 plus 6. So minus and plus is minus. So we need to subtract this time. And we are going to write the numbers one below the other. Both the numbers are equal this time. So 6 minus 6 is 0. We are going to write a 0 over here. And then since the numbers are equal, we can give any sign. So either we can write +0 or we can write a -0. It is always advisable to just leave 0 as it is. Thank you for watching.